Okay, hello everyone. My name is Wes Army, firefighter with the City of Kennewick. And today we're going to talk about how to start a chainsaw. First off, everybody know where the exits are. We have one over here. We have one out that door. And are you comfortable in here, Mr. Dill?
Yes, I am.
Okay, got you some water. So you're good to go there. So, like I said, we're going to talk about how to operate a chainsaw. Chainsaws are a crucial tool that we use in emergency services. We use them for ventilation of residences. We use them for tech rescue. There's a lot of different uses we use, and we need to know how to safely stop and start the chainsaw. Personally, I've been using chainsaws for past 10 years in the fire service on all the different types of emergency calls, and I feel comfortable with that. And I think that's the key thing, is that you need to be comfortable with the tool so you can safely operate it on an emergency scene. So, some of the key things, we're going to discuss it here. I'm going to go over real quick, but PPEs are first most important things. We need to have eye protection, our bunker gear, our safety chaps when we're starting the saw. The main things are make sure that the switch is on, if there's on-off switch on that. The choke's full if it's cold. We want to make sure that the throttle trigger is squeezed. If there's a compression release, you could also do that. Make sure we put our left foot in the trigger handle. And we're going to have a demonstration of this. There will be a video following this. You're going to pull the cord. Once the motor fires, release the throttle release. Ensure the choke is off. Release chain brake. Increase the RPMs to ensure full operation. Re-engage chain brake as the RPMs come down. And allow the chainsaw to idle for a few minutes for cooling operations. Then shut the chainsaw off. Okay, so here's the slides on that. Again, with the fire department here. A couple of pictures of the saw we're going to use today, and it's a Stihl MS 440. So again, this just goes and shows on this chainsaw, all the way up is stop. One click down is on, 2 clicks is half choke, 3 clicks is full choke. Here's the trigger. It's kind of hard to see. You got to click that down. It's a safety, and then the throttle's underneath. There's just a top view. Also in this picture, you can see the chain brakes in the front, so that moves forward and backwards. You've got your handle, and you've also got your throttle. And your pull cords in there. Okay. So starting the chainsaw, I just reviewed those. I have them up on the screen for you to double check that we're on the same page with that. So any questions about that, Mr. Dill?
Not so far.
Okay. So here's a quick video of a demonstration we did previously to show you how you should be starting the chainsaw. So let me get this clicked on. Apologize about the volume.
Step 2. Place choke on. Engine is full. Lock the throttle. Place left foot in throttle handle. Pull cord until saw fires. Once saw fires, put throttle off to take off high idle. Ensure choke is open fully. Disengage chain brake. Throttle up to release throttle. Set the chain brake. Shut off saw.
Okay. So let me stop this thing. Okay. So any questions about that? Pretty straightforward.
Yep.
Okay. So just the big thing is we just want to review the steps and that we're safe by everything. And also, before I forget, if you want to sign your name in for the class roster. Okay. And then the next thing I want to do is I just have a short little quiz. There are 5 questions, 4 of them are true or false, and 1 is multiple choice.
Okay.
They're very basic questions, so I will let you fill that out. Make sure you put your name and date, and fill these out, and we will discuss these before we go outside. Okay, so how about why don't you go ahead and tell me what the answer you got for number 1, and I will let you know if it.
True.
Okay, that answer is false. So just go ahead and put a mark next to that. And question number 2,
False.
correct. Question number 3,
False.
correct. Number 4,
True.
correct. And number 5.
C.
Okay, perfect. So any questions about that?
Nope.
Okay, perfect. All right, so the next thing we'll do, let's go out in the bays, let's get our bunker gear on, all of our safety equipment, and let's go ahead and do the procedures.
Okay.
During that, I have an evaluation sheet. I could show you this right now, just so you're aware we're grading on. So just the 10 steps.
Okay.
They're all pass or fail, and the big emphasis is on safety. So as long as you're safe and you do these steps in a timely manner with your full PPE on, you'll pass this.
Good deal.
Okay? So let's go ahead and prepare to go outside. Go from there.